This is me warming up my brain. This may be a chaotic video on how to create polls using a scheduling tool with Publa. And if you haven't got it, they give you free access to it, because it's what happens is when you schedule content on Publa, it organizes, builds up a library of content for you to recycle. So there's advantages of using tools like this, especially if you're very time poor. So just watch my process. It's just making you understand how I schedule ahead and batch create polls. So in Publa, I'm hoping to, like, as you can tell, I wanted to create polls every Monday. And polls, you can create this. And usually I like to do it 7 days. Oh, you could do it longer, but 7 days is fine. And polls, I notice people create polls that are not clickable. You have to make it very clean copy, simple English, and easy to use. For example, if we go over to Claude or even ChatGPT, you could ask it to act like a poll designer, keep it super clean, easy English, easy questions. You want to increase the click buy rate. So let's go over to Claude. You might not see my face, but that's okay. Who cares? Zoom, yes. So be a poll creator specialist. Create 5 polls that aligns with TTV strategy. Have some fun ones for wider engagement and discussions, like coffee or something productivity wise, because people love productivity tools. And make sure you follow these this format. 1, make sure it's easy to click to increase engagement. The question is super simple and easy English. Options should be clean and fast to click. So short answers are very good. Last option 4 is always other, comment below with finger emoji. Oh, this is typical. How do you, productivity, okay, what's your productivity drink? That's an easy one. So I go over here. Does it work? Yes, I go over here, and I probably should ask it, can you give me fun emojis with this? Yes, and I like that. Click, click. Where's Pablo? Click. And then other. Save. I've been getting into matcha lattes lately. Schedule. And schedule. That's the test. Cool. And then I'm going to the next one and keep creating. How do you work? I should do a branding one. Close that. poll. And then one week, save. Say something quirky. Don't have to as well. So it's just an easy one for me. Schedule. And that's one is organized. Let's do another one. Give me more ideas, please. Include a one-liner supportive caption to go with it too. Got that. Let's do this one. What works for you? Let's do a poll. Copy and paste. What's your best time to create best content? Early mornings. Midday focus. Late night inspo. Oh, toilet breaks. I did a cheeky one. And then make it 1 week, save, schedule. Cool, keep going, because I feel like polls are super fun to do, and as you can tell, I like this one. What helps you create content? Let's do this. Going for walks, talking to others, using AI tools, other. Save, and then schedule. And as you could tell, I already smashed out within less than 10 minutes 4 to 5 polls. Remember to keep it simple, easy questions. You want people to click, and also ask it to keep generating more. So even in 10 minutes, I've just proven how easy it is to create polls using your AI system, or even other ones as well if you want to check it out. But remember, Claude is set up so it aligns with your business as well. Let me know if you have any questions.